me.
If you don't calm down for that, no, you're not. I promise you, you're not.
Don't take my car.
On September 14th, 2025, a Florida deputy running speed enforcement outside the local middle school watched a black Mustang blow by at more than double the limit. He immediately lit up his lights, whipped a U-turn, and locked onto the driver. 109 miles per hour in a 50 zone, right past the middle school.
My brother, I can't tell if you're from India or Barbados. But we don't do this though.
Here's what the deputy did next.
That was beyond stupid, man.
Sorry.
You do realize you almost collided with another car.
Sorry.
Where's your license at?
I sent it back. And
you're in there?
Yeah.
Any guns, knife, bazookas, grenade launchers, net hook parts? Do you mind if I look in it before you start? Is it in here or is it?
I think so. In my door.
In your door? Okay.
What's on the door?
You reminding?
I'm sorry.
You're participating. I placed it. You need my ID because I wasn't driving? ID, please.
Ma'am.
But I don't understand if I wasn't driving.
Stop. Listen to me. Stop.
Listen, I'm not. Stop.
That's what sucks, bro. I always hated that. If the driver commits a crime, yup, you're cooked too, my nigga. You gotta show ID.
Stop. Calm down.
I don't want to be in anything. I don't want to be throwing my ID out there if I wasn't driving.
Ma'am, calm down. I'm going to explain it to you, okay?
I get it.
Oh, no, you don't get it. I'm trying to explain it to you.
I get it.
Okay?
I want you to explain
We are stopping. I'm going to. If you stop talking, I would love to.
Go ahead. Explain.
Okay? You are in a vehicle that is being stopped. So we are requesting your driver's license because we are allowed to.
Totally get it.
Okay? So, give my
I will
partner.
be giving my ID. I just do not want to be getting in trouble for anything that I was not participating.
Bro, you don't even have to talk, bro. ID, boom. Cause I was thinking about this situation, bro. The first time I've been in a situation like this, I believe, a serious situation. I passed out in the whip. The homie got pulled over for a DUI. When I was waking up, I was expecting to be in a bed, not in a fucking car. So we were in the north side of Chicago. I'm getting pushed on my right shoulder. I'm stop playing, stop. Sir, your friend's getting arrested for a DUI. We're gonna need you to get it. I'm like, what? Wait a minute. Hold the what? Show you my ID. Luckily, I didn't have anything going on, but I look to my left. This nigga's getting put in handcuffs. I'm down. I gotta give you my ID. I don't even remember how I got home, but horrible situation. Let's go.
So then let me have your driver's license,
It's my
please.
fault.
Will I not be
Relax.
participating in it?
I'm not going to ask you.
I was not
listen, I'm going to ask you one more time, and then I'm going to take you out of the car, and I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
But you're going to put me in handcuffs because I wasn't participating.
Because you're not cooperating.
But I wasn't in shit if I wasn't fucking driving.
I'm going to give you one last chance.
Here, my guy.
Thank you.
But I wasn't participating in the shit.
Watch your knees.
I'm sorry.
Have a step back here.
I'm so sorry for all the time to read up to your portion.
Also in the racing section, she's a participant.
I'm Deputy Sullivan. I'm with Lee County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. The reason why I'm stopping you was 109 in a posted 50-mile-an-hour zone.
Nigga.
Okay?
Yeah, I understand.
Then you go the wrong way and almost collide with.
They got these clean, bro. This looks like a skit. This some clean ass camera footage, bro. Wait, how? What site is that? What channel is this? Okay, well we'll go from there.
Another vehicle.
Okay. Cinematic shit
Why?
there.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry. I just Jaguar.
He said why? He didn't want you to pray to God.
Have you had any alcoholic beverages tonight?
A little bit.
A little bit?
That's it.
Okay.
What kind? This nigga was drinking White Claws and Buzzball. He's a White Claw Buzzball ass nigga.
All right.
I'm so sorry.
Is this address still good for you?
Okay, I understand.
That's my old address.
Okay.
Oh my, and you don't even got your app. You're going to jail.
I don't remember right now.
You don't know your address? Do you have any documentation to show your new address?
Yes.
Ooh, icy. Sounds very icy to me.
Is it on your phone by chance?
You about to go back to Bolivia, nigga.
Don't have
wherever
to
the
make
fuck
that
you
right
came
now.
from. You about
Your
to
phone
go
was
back
in the
to
bag.
Colombia, Bolivia,
That's my
wherever you-
another phone.
Oh my.
Is your phone in the car?
Yes.
Is it in the?
Look at your stupid ass. So what brings you? How did you get back to this country, Essay? I was just fucking with a stupid white bitch that ain't run from the police. And a Mustang. Bro, you could have been at a job making some money at college. That's why they want to deport you, bro. Because your stupid ass is doing stupid ass shit like this. Stupid ass. You could have been anywhere in the world. You could have been anywhere in America making some money. You want to do this? And you know you're not even supposed to be over there. Stupid.
Or here?
Yes.
Just stay right there. Stay right there.
So you want my
You
address?
got a big
Yes, your new-
you got a big ass, big titty white bitch. And she probably has a nice ass. Her pussy is probably cool. But she looks good, so that nut is gonna come. You got her in the whip doing some stupid shit. For what? You got a good life. Well, you used to. Let's go.
Address, yes, sir.
Really, I'm so sorry. I just want to
You're
enjoy
not
my
sorry,
day today.
bitch.
It's
Why
my
you wouldn't have
birthday.
did it?
The sad part is it would have been a stop, and you may have gotten a court date because of your speed.
If something happened, just it's only my fault, not her. It's me.
I just need your new address.
That's my
She's gonna
address.
tweet. She's gonna.
How long
tweet.
have we been at this new address?
3 months, 6 months. I don't.
3 months, 6. Yeah, sucks. He's not supposed to be over here. You don't know the difference between 3 months and 6 months? That's very different. 90 days or half a year? Going to jail.
Right now, but it's around that 6 months.
Are
3
you
or
willing to
6
submit to a
months?
field sobriety exercise to dispel my fears that you're driving while under the influence?
Sorry,
Are you do you speak English or?
a little bit.
Nah, nigga, you said you speak English, bitch ass nigga. They want to make sure you're drunk, and you know that.
Traffic at headquarters. Do we have an available translator
Fuck that,
for
dude.
Spanish, please?
That's her car.
Damn,
Well,
she
it's
got
actually
a
not-
cold ass body. God damn, nigga, you winning. She has a cold ass body. Look at them legs, bro. On the gang, nigga. What the fuck? She got 17 hands full of titties? Nigga. She got a cold ass body, bro. God damn. Salute to you, bro. Salute to you. I hope you hit at least twice. At least twice, bro. 3 times. Damn, bro. She is. You're winning, bro. I hope this nigga didn't go to jail.
Have an available translator
Good for you,
for
bro.
Spanish, please.
Look at how he's rubbing his hair. That nigga's about to get deported. Sucks. Sucks. Just switch the whole energy.
It's her car.
Well, it's actually not her car.
Yes.
No, it's registered to somebody else.
Ooh.
Her dad.
Just do me a favor. Just go stand over there.
Okay. He knows the car is registered to her dad. So God is good and he fucked at least 3 times. Thank you. Thank you, Lord.
My partner, please. Thank you.
She got a cold
Her dad
ass
died.
body, nigga. Damn.
Okay, but the car's still registered to him.
Yeah, I know, but her dad. Her dad died, and he's still paying the car. I was just driving
What
her
the fuck
car.
are you talking about? Who
How
did
do you
it,
guys
bro?
tell me what you're gonna
As they wait for a translator, the driver remains calm while the passenger is getting more upset.
Listen,
I need to tell
listen.
me what you're doing my car.
Guys, you know why he wanted a translator? Because he thinks the longer that it takes for him to get processed through the situation, he's gonna sober down. Which is true to an extent. Good strategy.
Stop.
I need to tell me.
If you don't calm down,
I'm
relax.
calm.
No, you're
Oh my god. Look at that mouth. That is a dick sucking mouth. That is a dick sucking mouth. She's throat gang for real.
I promise you, you're not. No, you're not.
I've been calm as f*** issues. I don't know what you guys are gonna f***ing do in my car. And I'm stressed the f*** out. You
Listen,
guys tell me.
stop.
Look at this man.
If you don't calm down, we're gonna have you have a seat in one of our patrol cars.
I don't need a f***ing seat.
Then you need to
I just need
relax.
you guys to tell me what the f*** happened with my fucking car. That's all I need.
I'm gonna give it to you one more
I'm
time.
not trying to be a dick. I just need
Take a breather, relax, okay? Because you acting like this is not gonna get this situation to go any faster.
Sorry, guys.
I need you to
I'm
relax.
stressing out right
I will
now.
tell you everything that's going on once I get to that point. But right now, we're not gonna tell you what's going on until I figure out what's going on, okay? So I need you to relax because I can't focus on you and focus on
I get
him.
it.
I don't think you do.
I just want to know what's
Because I want to go home at night.
So do I. You know,
Okay.
you think I'm gonna be here right fucking now when I work
I'm sure you
tomorrow at
don't.
5:30 in the morning? I don't
So,
fucking want to do it.
I need you to breathe.
She works at 5:30 in the morning. Let me guess. She's a stripper.
Relax, okay? Otherwise,
What kind of thought do you know? I don't know. She's a stripper. Fuck this.
I'm gonna have you have a seat in the car. Okay?
She work at 5:30
Fair
in the
enough?
morning.
All right, stay cool, calm, and collected for me.
She's like that.
I understand.
Scared that,
I get it, but at the same time, I gotta have her calm.
I don't explain
Can you
how.
get it for me?
What?
Go and vape the hell out. I do the car right now. I'm not
Oh, of course. She's a vape thought. Okay.
gonna be an asshole.
Can you do me a favor? Can you go under the car and get it?
Bro, she got a cold ass little body. Can't lie. Is this Miami? She got a cold ass little body.
What mess of a guy I'll hold her with? You can grab it, Alex. Yep, I couldn't.
Thank you.
Oh! Look at your stupid drunk dumbass. Look what you did.
Yep, I
Look at
couldn't.
this. You going to
Thank you.
jail.
Yeah,
No,
come on.
you can't even get your own. You can't even get yourself off the ground, bro. You look like you do 150 push-ups a day, but you can't get off the ground without stumbling. Stupid ass nigga.
Cover here, partner.
Yes.
Hey, I'm gonna
Put
need
you
you
in
to help
the
me
car.
translate for a DUI. Put his feet together.
Translate for a DUI? Do you just saw what the fuck I saw? That's DUI activities. Come on, man. This nigga is the embodiment of a DUI. Jail. You're going
I'm
to
suicide.
jail.
Oigan, pongan los pies juntos y las manos a los lados, por favor.
Touch the top of my pen for me. Perfecto.
This nigga said how about this? He's been fucking on this bitch for all this time. Have that bitch translate. How was he driving her deceased RP to the father? How was he interacting with her? And she speaks perfect English. I'm pretty sure this bitch is not bilingual. And they're fucking. He knows English, bro. He knows English. That bitch does not speak a lick of. She doesn't even speak English that well. She's stupid. But they
Go ahead and begin.
perfectly.
Let's go inside.
1014 was the peace thing.
Left.
Let me take the fucking car with me home.
Listen, it's either you get somebody to come pick you up or get an Uber,
She pick up my car with
or you're
her.
gonna go to jail.
Fucking
for
take
public-
me to jail.
Okay.
What the f*** am I gonna do? What the f***? Why are you gonna take me to jail?
Selena,
Why are you
chill
gonna take me
out.
to jail? Let me
You're gonna
fucking
get a
take-
resisting charge.
Let me take some text my mom the car.
Oh,
Let me
shit.
text her the fucking.
Get her.
Let me text her the fucking call. My
Well, you just got Undertaker like
text her the
that?
fucking.
Get her.
Get your
Let me
stupid
text
ass
her the
on the ground.
fucking call. Why am I gonna go to jail? Let me text her. Roll over. Let me
Oh
fucking
my
go to where
God.
I'm at, please.
I apologize. Well, I got low standards. I'll smack her ass, bro. I'll put my thing all up in it. I wouldn't leave it in. I'll pull out. I will pull out. But I'll take her down though. I will take her down. I'll take this lady cop down too with her white hair. I'll take all of that down. 1, 2. It is what it is. I'll take her down.
Get her down. Let me talk to go, baby.
One more time.
Talk to
let me see.
Get her down.
Yes, you see that? I'm taking it. Taking it. It's gonna happen. It's no procreation involved. I'm taking her down. It's gonna happen. Don't be mad.
Let me talk to go, baby. I'm gonna go to jail. Let me talk to roll over. Let me talk to go to where
I'm taking the lady cop down too. I like that. I'm taking her down too. I like that. Okay? Judge me if you want to. I'm pulling that ponytail back. It's gonna happen. I'm making all her dreams come true.
Please let me take some code. Please don't be like
Look at that. Look.
please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. Please don't be like that. You cannot bite me. Don't be like that. I'm going through my...
This is just turning me on even further. I'm gonna masturbate to this video a little bit later. Not this one. The one without my voice on it, because that's weird. I don't jack off to my own voice. It's gonna happen. I'm taking them both down. In my family.
Shit, don't be like that. Let me taste my mom the fucking pink coat.
Look at her ass, bro. Grandma got some booty.
Head back so she don't bite you.
No!
You can't bite.
What is this?
Head back so she.
This is soft porn, bro.
Taste my mom the fucking pink coat.
Look at this. Look at this. I don't even think this is a real police video at all. Look at this. This not even real.
Head back so she don't bite you.
No!
You can't.
Are you kidding me?
You drew freaking blood from where you bit me.
I did it.
You know what? I'm done. I'm about to go, I'm about to go,
Say my fucking name. That's blood from biting.
Gary the fucking bitch!
Following the incident, he was charged with DUI, failure to obey a traffic control device, and operating a vehicle at over 100 miles
Okay, fresh.
per hour. He was held on a $2,250 bond, which he later posted. He initially entered a plea of not guilty. However, he later appeared in court, changing his plea to no contest, and the judge adjudicated him guilty on all charges. He was sentenced to 13 days in jail, with credit for 11 days already served, followed by 12 months of probation. His driver's license was revoked for 6 months, and his vehicle was ordered to be impounded for 10 days. Additionally, he was required to complete DUI school and a high-risk driver's course and pay various fines, court costs, and attorney fees. Following the incident, she was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and disorderly intoxication.
That's a felony. What's up?
She was held on a $3,000 bond, which she later posted. Though she initially entered a plea of not guilty, she ultimately changed her plea to guilty on both charges. She was sentenced to 2 days in jail, 30 days
2 days in jail, 3 years of probation. Yeah, you deserve that stupid ass shit. 30-day work program, anger management. I don't even think this is real. I think this was not real for some OF stuff. And if it was real, I'm gonna continue to do more reactions because them cameras was real clean for them great. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. It's not what it's not. It's Aaron Moses. I'm the bang, the band. With the bangs together, man. Lives in the breath, breathing in peace, gang. Woo.
in a day work program and
Dangerous. Oh, y'all niggas too dangerous for me, man. I gotta stay out of Florida.